rhymes, cause I gotta go to school and bring my grades up. Yeah, that shit's so cool, because they wanna judge me by a test I take. Didn't know that could not make. Holy shit, didn't know that I was a loser. Couldn't find a girl that I couldn't find a cruiser. My bitch left me for a nigga that's in New York City. Oh my god, that shit ain't pretty. Can't tell the fact that I am lost. Can't tell the fact that I have lost the trees and big trees. And everybody knows that I can't find. Everybody knows where my nose, because I wanna go home. I just wanna go home to my god. Didn't know that I was gonna be distraught on my rhyme, because I drop rhymes every time. I get so sad, because sad is a man named Glad. Sad is from a man named Glad, and my name is Gabriel McMahon, aka Grim Flash in the back of my motherfucking hand. Didn't know that your bitch, she wanted me. That's right, your bitch, she called me. So I drove to her house and I picked her up. Didn't know that you would give a fuck. You walk behind her back. You wanna act like that you're her dad. Nah, you're a piece of shit, because you wanna act like a little bitch. Then lied to your girl's face. Didn't know the shit couldn't appreciate. So I came back, gave her my dick, because she likes the dick. So she sat on it, she ate it like fish sticks. Yes, she's a gay fish, because she likes fish sticks in her mouth, because she wants to make her motherfucking shout. So I just wanna care about the world. I just care about your girl. Okay, so yeah, my girl. She left me for a nigga in New York City. Didn't know the shit wouldn't be pretty, but if everybody knows that I cannot give a little dilly, getting showed and don't know where I wanna go. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home. Got a D in chemistry, at least it ain't an F, because I can't. Now my name is Jeff, because I wanna go home. I just wanna go home, I wanna go to sleep, because I can't see the reason why I wanna be alive in my lost times. That I shouldn't drop these rhymes with my little brother. Maybe he would have found another reason to stay. Oh God, what do I say? Do I pray? Do I spray straight? Do I miss you? Nah, I won't miss you, but I'll motherfucking diss you. Okay, you a funny fella, huh? Can you outrun my 1998 Celica? No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. I gotta go to work.